Thank you, Mark. So same as usual, I've already started the recordings. So allow TIS and allow teachers remain to record this session this afternoon. I am very happy to see Okay, I am very happy to see all of you again. After, wow, maybe it's after a month. Okay, glad to see Jocelyn again. Joelito, hello.
Hello, teacher.
Do you remember me, Noel?
Of course.
Yes. I'm happy to see you back, Noel. How are you?
I'm good, teacher.
Glad to hear that one. What grade are you now, Noel? What grade are you now?
5, teacher.
Come again?
5.
Grade 5. Okay, good. You're already in grade 5. Hi, Catherine.
Hi, teacher.
How's life, Catherine? How are you?
I'm very well, teacher. Thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, Jennifer, Shitya, Claudie, hello. Bethany also, Sundara and Honey, Tristan. Hi, Letitia, Enda, Irene,
Hello,
Clara and Mark,
teacher. Hello,
Argel.
teacher. Yeah, hello, teacher. Huh? What? The camera?
Is teacher? Okay, am I hanging? Is it good now? Okay. Mark, is my voice okay now?
Yep, the voice are okay.
Okay. Dr. Hari asked me to go back to chapter 1 on Mondays. Then on on Wednesday, we'll be having chapter 2. But I need to tell him again that schedule. So we will be having English classes again. I hope everyone is happy to continue learning English with me. So are you still happy that I'll be your English teacher again?
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, thank you for the yes. So allow me to share my screen. So chapter 1 is on grammar. Okay, everybody. So we will be focusing again on grammar. So we will be finding subjects and verbs again. So we will be talking about subject in the sentence, the predicate in the sentence. I have prepared activities for the rest of our class today, but let's have first this one. So I know you were able or we were able to discuss about verbs already, right? We were able to discuss on verbs. Okay. Can I ask can I ask Honey to read the highlighted phrases or lines, Honey? Okay. Okay, if not, Honey, can I ask Catherine to read the one that I highlighted?
Okay, teacher. Definition. A verb is a word that shows action, runs, hits, slides, or state of being, is, are, was, were, am, and so on.
Okay. Thank you, Catherine.
You're welcome,
So,
teacher.
so a verb is hit slides. So we have here rule number 1. So if a verb follows to, it is called an infinitive phrase and is not the main verb. So we were going to find the main verb either before or after the infinitive phrase. So again, when we talk about the verb, it is a word that shows an action. Okay? Am I still sharing my screen? Natasha, can you still see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
So what do you have on my screen? Do you have the activity now?
Yes.
Okay. Can you try to read this one, Natasha?
Identify which word in the list are verb.
Okay. We are going to read this one as, okay, identify. Come again. Identify
Identify which word in the list are verb.
verbs.
Verbs.
Okay. Could you please read the words inside the box, Letitia? What are verbs?
Verbs are actions word. They mean doing something.
Okay. Action words. Okay, action words. So that's what verbs are. So what we are going to do is to identify the verbs in each list of words. Okay. Letitia, I want you to read the first line.
Bells ring sounds music.
Yes. Come again.
Bells ring sounds music.
Okay. What do you think are the verbs, or what do you think is the verb in that line? Which words from that list, or which word from that list shows an action, or it means an action? Letitia?
Ring.
Okay, good. The word ring is a verb. Do we still have one?
No.
Letitia? Okay, no. So we only have the word ring in that line. Thank you, Letitia.
You're welcome, teacher.
Can I go now to Jennifer? Hi,
Miss.
Jennifer.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, I want you to read. Hello, I want you to read the second line.
Okay, Miss. Walk, climb, sliding, pet.
Very good. Which or what words shows an action? Jennifer, what words from that line shows an action, or which are verbs in that line?
Walk,
Yeah, very good. Walk is a verb. What else? Jennifer. Aside
climb,
from walk, we also have climb. Do we still have one, Jennifer?
um, s- sliding,
Yeah, and the word sliding is also a verb. Okay, again, Jennifer, please read the three verbs in that line.
walk, climb, sliding.
Very good. Thank you, Jennifer.
You're welcome, Miss.
I'll move now to Claudie. Hi, Claudie.
Hi, Miss.
I want you to read the next line with the girl in the picture. Please read, Claudie.
The wheels falling girl.
Yes. Pick the verb in that line, Claudie.
Um, Live.
Lives. Lives is a verb, Claudie, for you. Does it shows an action? Lives? Leaves
Oh,
are leaves are from the trees, from the plants. It's a noun, Claudie. What do you think? Is the noun I'm not what do you think is the verb in the sentence?
um, wait.
Come again? The leaves falling girl. What's the verb in the sentence?
Um,
Yes, Claudie. Our verb in the sentence is,
falling,
in the line is, okay, read, Claudie.
falling.
Okay, you have falling. Okay, next in line, we have this. Can I have, oh, okay. Before I continue, Jocelyn, could you please tell teacher how's my voice?
Your voice is fine.
Okay, that's good. Can I ask you to read the next line?
Oh yeah, sure. Talk, friends, piano, and flute.
Good. Now pick the verb.
Talk.
Very good. The verb is talk. How about friends, piano, and flute? What are these, Jocelyn? If these are not verbs, these are
I forgot what it's called.
these are I want you to remember.
Wait.
Yes, teacher will wait for that one.
Um,
These are names, right?
sorry, what did you say? I didn't hear.
These are names. So when we talk about names, we are talking about nouns.
Oh yeah, nouns.
Nouns. Very good. So nouns refers to names of persons, places, animals, and things. Right?
Yeah,
Okay. Jocelyn, if we say friends, what's that one? It's a name of
that's the name of a nouns, right?
oh yeah, it's a name referring to a person.
Yeah. So person.
How about piano and flute?
That
Referring to what?
thing.
Referring to things. Good. Thank you, Jocelyn.
No problem, teacher.
Very good. Can I move now to Irene? Hi, Irene.
Hello, Miss.
How's Irene? How are you?
I'm very well.
How are you? Oh, you're very well. Okay. Thank you that you feel well today. I want you to read the next line, Erin.
Okay, Miss. Rise, sing, table, sat,
On to.
on, onto.
I want you to read it again, Erin. Please start. Rise.
Rise, sing, table, sat, onto.
Could you please give or share to us what are the nouns? We have many nouns in that line, and what are those?
What, Miss?
What are, I mean, not nouns. What are the verbs in that line? What are the verbs?
Thing, I guess.
Come again?
Thing,
You say think?
yes.
Okay, good. Think is a verb. Okay, I need to do it again. Okay, so we have here think. What else?
Hmm. Sat,
Mm-hmm. Very good. Sat is also a verb. One more, Erin, one more verb. We have, mm-hmm.
hmm.
Is it rise? Is it a table? Is it onto?
Onto, maybe.
Onto maybe. Mm-hmm. The other verb in that line is the word. How do we read this, Erin?
Rise.
Okay. When you say rise, that means you need to stand up or you need to stand still. So that's why it is a we have please read the verbs, Erin. We have rise.
What, Miss? I can't hear you.
Okay, I'm sorry. Is my voice not clear, Erin?
Yes.
Okay, I want you to read the verbs in that line.
Oh. Rise, think, and sat.
Thank you, Erin. Very good.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, for the last part, for the last line, can I have Arga?
Yes, Miss.
I want you to read the last line.
Couch, foot, feet, chair, mitten,
Very good. What's the verb in the in that line?
foot,
Okay, we have here the word foot. Arga, could you please tell everybody what are we looking in each of the lines? What are we looking? We are looking for the
verbs.
Arga. What are we? Yeah, we are looking for the verbs. And what are verbs, Arga? What is a verb? Or what are verbs? Hello? What is a verb or what are verbs? Can you still hear, teacher? Can you still hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, miss.
Okay, okay. Arga, can you still hear me, Arga?
Yes, miss.
Okay. I want you to tell everyone what is a verb. Yes. Oh, Arga, can you still hear me? What is a verb, Arga? Okay. If not Arga, maybe Catherine would like to say again what are verbs?
Verbs are action words.
Okay, so we have very simple definition. Verbs are action words. Okay, verbs are action words. Okay, good. So we are done with this activity. I need to close that one. Okay, okay. So let's go back first to the blue book. So so we are talking about verb in that one. Okay. So before we continue with the blue book, let's have another activity. Okay? Let's have another activity. And this time, we are going to identify the verb from each sentence. Okay? We are still focusing our discussion on verbs. So I need to do that one. You are going to read the sentence, then identify the verb that you can find in it. Number one, I would like to talk to Mark. Mark,
Yes.
okay, please read number one.
Teddy holds his plushie.
Can you tell directly the verb is?
The verb is holds.
Very good. So we have here holds. Mark, if I'm going to ask you, the verb holds, is this singular or plural verb?
Singular.
Okay. Why do we say? So I'm going to put it here. Mark, what do we mean by singular again? What do we mean by singular?
Because the end of the word hold, it has S at the end. Symbolize singular.
Okay. So for you, it's singular because the word holds ends with S. Is that it? Yes.
Yes.
And aside from, yes, because Mark, when we say singular, that means only
Only one guy.
how
One
many?
person.
It's only one. Yeah, it's only one. Could you please tell everybody and tell teacher what is the subject in sentence number one?
Teddy.
Okay, we have here Teddy. So when we talk about the
Thank you.
subject, it is the doer of the action or it is what the sentence is about. Okay, if we go back, everybody, if we go back to chapter 1, we have here the definition of subject. Mark, I want you to read the definition of subject, Mark.
Definition. The subject is the noun of or pronoun that performs the verb.
So another definition for that one, it is the doer of the action. It tells what the sentence is about. We have here an example. Mark, I still want you to read.
Example. The woman hurried.
Yes.
So the woman is the subject because the woman heroine.
Okay, so we can say the woman is the subject. The sentence is about the woman. Okay, so let's continue with this activity. Again, Mark, what's the subject, the sentence?
Teddy!
Okay, so I am going to draw a line here. Teddy is our subject. Teddy, Mark, is it singular or plural? Mark,
Singular.
singular or plural? It's singular.
Singular.
That's why kids, yes, thank you. That's why our verb here, which is holds, is also in singular form. Okay, look at this one. Holds singular because the subject in the sentence, Teddy, is singular. Got it?
Got it.
How about the others? Do you get it?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, miss.
Okay, thank you. Okay, good. Thank you. I'll move now, or we shall be moving now to sentence number 2. This time, I would like to talk to. Okay. Can I go now to Noelito?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, hello. I'm happy to see you again, Noel.
I'm
You
happy
were,
too, teacher.
well, I'm glad to hear that one. You were not in my classes last semester. You
Yes,
just
teacher.
returned to TIS this time, right?
I just start now.
Yeah, you start again now, and teacher can recognize your name, and I also can recognize your face. That's why I'm happy to see you again.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you,
Yes, you're
teacher.
welcome. Yes, are you ready to read now? Sentence number 2, Noel.
Okay. Mel eats a carrot.
Okay, first question. What is the verb in that sentence?
The verb is eats.
Very good. So I'm going to write it. It. Now, could you please tell everyone, well, what is the subject in the sentence? Here, Mel eats a carrot. Who is the doer
The
of the
subject
action?
Mel. The subject is Mel.
Okay, very good. Our subject is Mel. If we say Mel, is that singular or plural, Noel?
Singular.
Okay, Mel is only one. That's why it is a singular subject. That's why in here, the word the verb it's is also in singular or plural form.
Plural.
Is the word it's the verb it's is also in singular form. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, thank you, Noel.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay, everybody, teacher will be discussing again sentence number 2. I want to open my video, but every time I open my video, I think I'm lagging. Okay, how's that one? Is it okay now? Mark, am I okay now?
Yes, Mr. Main.
Okay, I hope it works. Okay, everybody look at sentence number 2. We have here Mel. It's a carrot. Our verb in that sentence is eats. Okay, that's the action in the sentence. My second question, what is the subject? What's the subject? So Noelito said that the subject is Mel. How many is Mel? How many is he? He is only one, right? Mel is only one. That is why Our verb is its, and it is also in singular form. Please take note that if the subject is singular, again, if the subject is singular, the verb is also in singular form. If the subject is plural, of course, the verb should be also in plural form. Okay? We move now to sentence number 3. I hope that is clear with you now. I'll be having Catherine for sentence number 3. Catherine.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Catherine, I want you to read sentence number 3.
The kids laugh at the joke. The verb is laugh.
Very good. Could you please? Okay, Catherine is right. Our verb for that sentence is laugh. Now, let's go back. I want you to tell everybody the subject in the sentence. What is the subject about? Or who are we talking in that sentence?
The kids.
Kids.
The kids. Good. Kids, is that singular or plural?
Plural.
Okay, kids is in plural form. So that's why our verb laugh is in what form? The verb laugh is also in plural form. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Catherine. Okay. Catherine, hello. Catherine is not moving in my end. Okay. So I will repeat sentence number 3. The kids laugh at the joke. Again, the kids laugh at the joke. Kids, the verb is laugh. The verb is laugh. And then kids, that's the subject in the sentence. Then the the verb laugh is in plural form. Okay? Now, let's go to sentence number 4. Okay, sentence number 4. Can I have Enda now? Enda.
Yes,
Yes, teacher.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, teacher. How about you?
not working.
Okay.
Enggak, speaker Dede
Yes,
nggak bisa nyalain.
Yes, Catherine.
Yang bisa yang tahu.
It's okay.
Ini masih
Okay, Enda. Can I have you again, Enda?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, sentence number 4 now.
Okay. After supper, they clean the dishes. The verb is clean.
So the verb is clean, then
Clean is plural.
very good. This is in plural form. Okay. What made you say that that verb is in plural form, Enda? Why is it plural in form?
Because in the sentence we have the subject they. They is plural.
Very good. Yes, very, very good. They is the subject in the sentence. They is not a noun. Everybody, they is not a noun. How do we call that? How do we call they? What part of speech is this one?
Pronoun.
If you can still recall. Very good, Inda. They is an example of a pronoun. To be exact, it is a personal pronoun. And it's a pronoun that you are going to use if you have multiple subject in the sentence. For example, if teacher will say, Inda and Catherine are friends. They go to school together. The pronoun they refers to Inda and Catherine. Why am I using they? Because Inda and Catherine is already a plural subject. Very good. Okay? I hope everybody got that one. Thank you, Inda.
You're welcome, teacher.
Hey, again, the verb in the sentence is clean. Everyone, the verb in the sentence is clean. It's plural because our subject is they. Everyone, if we go back to the definition of subject in chapter 1, hello? Okay. If we go back to the definition of subject in chapter 1, we have here a subject is the noun or pronoun that performs the verb. Again, it can be a noun and it can also be a pronoun. So that one, sentence number 4, is an example of a sentence using using a pronoun. So they is a pronoun. Let's move now. Number 5. Okay, sentence number 5. And I would like to have. Okay, can I go now to Tristan?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I want you to read sentence number 5.
Later, take a bath.
Okay, I want you to tell me on everybody the verb in it.
The verb is take.
Yes, very good. The verb is take. Okay. If we I'll go back to you again, Tristan. Everybody, if we read sentence number 5, later take a bath. If you can if you see or if you read sentence number 5, the subject is indirectly given. When we say indirectly, you cannot see the subject in the sentence. But in that case, the subject is, if you are talking to somebody, if you're saying that sentence, our subject is the pronoun you. Okay. So we can say, oh, later you take a bath. So if it's indirectly stated in the sentence, the pronoun you is the subject in that sentence. Same with number 7. Okay, same with number 7. Even now, we are late. So even now, we are late. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I need to share again my screen. How am I do it? Okay, good. Do you have my screen again?
Yeah.
Teacher.
Okay, thank you, Bethany. So number 5, later, take a bath. Our verb there is take. Okay, Tristan, let's move to sentence number 6, Tristan.
Lila looks sad.
Okay. Tristan, you say the verb is
The verb is looks.
Very good. Now, could you please tell first, looks, is that singular or plural verb, Tristan?
Singular.
Yes, it's singular because our subject in the sentence is singular. Now tell me, what's the subject in that sentence? Lila looks sad. What's the subject?
Sad.
Tristan? Yes. What is the subject in the sentence?
The subject is Lila.
Yes, good. The subject is Lila. And how many is Lila?
What?
Only one. That's why the verb looks is singular. Get it? Okay, so thank you, Tristan. We now be moving on to sentence number 7. Okay, can I have, I just want, am I done? Okay, Shitya, hello.
Hello, teacher.
Shitya, hello,
Yes,
how are you?
teacher. I'm good. How about
Teacher,
you?
teacher feels well, Shitya. Thank you for asking. Okay, number 7, Shitya, try to read.
Even now, we are late.
Yes. Remember, we also have be verbs. We have be verbs, right? Like is, are, was, and where if it's past. So what is the verb in the sentence? Even now, we are late.
We
Mm-hmm. I have it here. What's the verb in the sentence?
are
Okay. Again, Chitya, what's the verb in the sentence? We have
are
are. Now, can you tell me and everyone, are singular or plural?
I think plural.
Yeah, it's a good guess. Are is a plural verb because the subject in the sentence is, what's the subject in the
We
sentence? We have, yes,
Wait.
yes, Catherine. Okay, Shitya, the subject is,
we
okay, the subject is we. Just like number 4, kids, just like number 4, they and we are pronouns. Okay? They, we are pronouns. And these are, and we, it is a plural pronoun. That's why we are going to use are. Now, when are we going to use we, if you can still remember? I'll stop sharing first. When are we going to use the pronoun we? When to use we in the sentence or if you're talking? If, yes, Jocelyn, you'd like to share?
Sorry, I accidentally unmute.
Okay, okay. Okay. When are we going to use we? Mark and when are we going to use the pronoun we? W-E.
When explaining, if we are explaining about about uh, our ourself and like two person explaining about Plural.
Yes. Mark, not literally explaining, but if you are talking, if you yourself is included, or what do you call it? If you yourself is included in that action. For example, teacher will say, um, um, what do you call this? Teacher will say, Mark, Tristan, and I. Okay, if you say, Mark, Tristan, and I are friends, we used to hang out together. So that pronoun we is used to, what do you call that one? To replace the nouns Mark, Tristan, and I. So you're going to use the pronoun we if you are included in that sentence, if you yourself is included in that action. Okay? Okay. So if I'll just say Mark and Tristan are friends, we are not going to use the pronoun we. Instead, we say Mark and Tristan are friends. They go to school together. Okay? So before I'll go back in sharing my screen, I'll be having a sentence in the chat box and I want you to check on it. Okay, you're going to identify if we are going to use we or they in the sentence. Okay, please give me a minute or less than a minute to type the sentence. I want Tristan to read the answer and I want you to give me the correct. I want Tristan to read the sentence and give me the answer for that one.
Okay. Tristan and Sundara are out. Blank went to the mall. The answer is we.
Yes? Are you sure that we are going to use we?
They, sorry.
Okay, I want you to say it again, Tristan.
Tristan and Sundara are out. They went to the mall.
Okay, they went to the mall. Why are we going to use they? Who are we referring to they? Tristan, who are we referring to the pronoun they?
Tristan and Sundara.
Very good. So if you yourself is not included, that's why you use the pronoun they. I'll have another sentence for you to check out. Okay? I have another sentence. I have another sentence now. And this time I will be asking Honey to read. Okay, I have asked Honey a while ago and I think she wasn't able to hear me. Honey, I hope you can hear me now.
Yes.
Yes, I want you to read the sentence. Okay. If not, Honey, can I move now? Can I move to Bethany?
Yeah.
Hi, Bethany. Could you please check the chat box. I have my second sentence now.
Okay.
Thank
Indah
you. Bethany, please continue reading.
Okay. Indah, Jocelyn, Katrina, and I are classmates. They eat lunch together.
Are we going to use they for that sentence to make it complete?
We.
Okay, should you please read it again, Bethany?
Okay. Indah, Jocelyn, Katrina, and I are classmates. They eat lunch together.
Are we going to use they for that one? They eat lunch together. Should we use they?
We, maybe.
Okay, we are going to use we. So, Inda, if yourself is included, Inda, Jocelyn, Catherine, and I are classmates. So you have there the pronoun I. That means it refers to yourself. So you say we eat lunch together. Okay? We eat lunch together. Bethany, I want you to read the last sentence, Bethany.
Okay. We eat lunch together.
Very good. Can you give us the verb in the sentence?
As we asked to
Yes.
eat lunch together.
Yeah, what's the verb in the sentence? What is the verb or the action word in the sentence?
Eat. Eat.
Very good. We have there it. Next question. Singular or plural? It. Singular or plural?
Plural.
Very good. It is a plural verb because the subject in the sentence is? The subject is the pronoun? It's the pronoun we. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Bethany.
You're welcome.
Okay. We still have time, so we can still continue with number 8. So we can still continue with number 8. I would like to have, okay. Okay, can I have Katrina? If Katrina is still with us. Okay, 4 minutes before the time. Katrina.
Yes,
If
Miss.
not Katrina, okay, Katrina is here. Read number 8.
We often think about you.
Yes.
The verb is think.
Very good. It's think. Singular or plural, Katrina?
Plural, Miss.
Okay, good. It's plural. What's the subject in the sentence? What's the subject?
We. The subject is
We
we.
are, yes. We say we is a plural it's a plural subject, right?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Thank you, Katrina. Very good.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, let's move now to number 9 and number 10. So for number 9 and number 10, the subject is not clearly stated. So you have there the pronoun you. So you say, you bring me the plate. You hold on for a minute. Okay? So let's have, can I have, can I have Jennifer again for number 9?
Hi, Miss.
Okay.
Bring me the plate.
Yes. What's the verb in the sentence?
Bring.
Very good. Our verb is bring. How about number 10, Josephine? Jennifer. Number 10, still you, Jennifer.
Hold on for a minute.
Yes.
The verb is hold.
Very good. Our verb is hold. Thank you, Jennifer.
You're welcome, Miss.
So let's have a wrap up of what we are discussing tonight. So we were able to refresh. Okay, so we were able to refresh our knowledge on verbs. Okay, so what is a verb again? A verb is a word that shows an action. Okay, action words that's what verbs are. Okay, I have also discussed you about subject in the sentence. Okay, what is a subject in the sentence? Bethany, please read.
A subject is a noun or verb that forms the verb.
Okay, performs. Bethany, performs.
Perform.
Okay, you have performs. Thank you, Bethany.
You are welcome.
So we have subject. It could be the noun or the pronoun in the sentence. So when we talk about nouns, it refers to the name of a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Okay? A pronoun is used to replace a noun in a sentence. A pronoun, a noun can be a subject in the sentence. Okay, are we good now? Are we good? Okay, so we are good now because it's already time. So I hope I was able to give you the lesson today. I'll see you next meeting. I hope to see you again until the next meeting. Okay? I'll have to say goodbye. I'll see you next time, kids. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank
teacher.
you.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
teacher.
Mr. Main, for
Thank you,
teaching this
Erin.
lesson.
Erin.
Bye-bye.
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 Thank you, Erin.
Uy.
Erin, thank you. Bye, Jennifer. Thank you. Thank you.